Today, we are going to show you the proper way to use the PURELL Body Fluid Spill Kit. To begin, close off the area around the spill site. Locate the spill kit and remove one single-use pouch. Empty the contents while outside of the spill area. Attach the spray trigger to the bottle of PURELL Food Service Surface Sanitizer by first removing the cap and inner seal. Once securely attached, turn the trigger to the on position. Now, unwrap the personal protective equipment. Put on the hair cover, tucking all hair inside. Next, put on the shoe covers to prevent tracking spill residue throughout the facility. Now put on the gown using the head and thumb loops. And tie it behind your back. Next, put on the face mask using the ear loops. Now put on the gloves, pulling them up and over the gown sleeves to ensure no skin or clothing is exposed. Set aside one trash bag and PURELL Singles Advanced Hand Sanitizer for use later. Carry the remaining spill kit components with you into the spill site and prepare the first trash bag. Open the absorbent pouch and sprinkle enough to cover and absorb the spill. Use the scraper to push the solid waste into a small pile in the center to make it easier to scoop into the mini dustpan. Then, dump the waste into the trash bag. Discard the scraper into the trash bag. Spray the spill site with PURELL Food Service Surface Sanitizer until thoroughly wet. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Then, wipe the treated surfaces with the absorbent towels. Discard soiled towels into the trash bag, and repeat as necessary. Finally, spray all remaining sanitizer over all affected surfaces within and around the spill area. Discard the empty bottle and remaining items into the trash bag. Take off the shoe covers and discard them in the trash bag. Grasp the front of the gown with both hands and pull forward, away from your body, until the neck loop and back ties break. As you are removing the gown sleeves, peel off your gloves at the same time, only touching the inside surfaces of the gloves and gown with your bare hands. Place the gown and gloves in the trash bag. Remove your face mask and hair cover, taking care to avoid touching your eyes or the outside of the face mask. Discard the used items into the trash bag. Use the drawstrings to tie the trash bag shut. Place this trash bag inside the set-aside trash bag. Sanitize your hands with PURELL Singles Advanced Hand Sanitizer. Use the drawstrings to tie the trash bag shut. Discard the trash bag in an appropriate waste receptacle. If available, outdoor disposal is preferred. Finally, wash your hands thoroughly. Once the spill site is dry, you may reopen the area.